Samsung is breaking records with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be in the market tomorrow, but people who receive their S22 Ultra are not happy at all. Although Samsung happens to break records with the S22 lineup, it's just that Samsung hasn't announced any new update and people are frustrated about it. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos 2200 has a lot of issues. First, it was display, and it can be fixed if you change the screen settings to Full HD Plus and Vivid mode. But what about the lag? Samsung this time cannot able to optimize the software for Galaxy S22 Ultra. Adam Conway on his official Twitter account shared a video and a note saying, "So far, it's not good, it's laggy." And he also mentioned even after restoring the device, the issue was the same. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, did you guys pre-order Galaxy S22 Ultra? Breaking things down, it is more towards the software issue which is not fully compatible with the Exynos 2200. The new GPU from AMD causing some display issues, and this kind of lag will not be acceptable. With this kind of lag, you cannot even use this phone as a daily driver. Samsung need to do something about this, either new firmware or have an official update on this matter. A good news for Samsung in South Korea, Samsung manages to sell 1.02 million pre-orders for Galaxy S22 lineup, and 300,000 units were sold on day 1. The last smartphone that reached this was Galaxy S8. On the other hand, users around the world being forced to wait for weeks and in some cases even months to get their hands on Galaxy S22. It is somehow understandable given the ongoing chip shortage and supply chain disruptions. Even yesterday in India, Samsung manages to sell over 70,000 units in the first 12 hours. If you are facing these issues with your Galaxy S22 Ultra or you are planning to buy Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos 2200, then you need to listen this. First, if you own this Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos variant, then don't panic and don't apply for exchange or return. Although Samsung is working on their software and the new firmware coming out, but we didn't know when it will come, so always make sure your software is up to date. Second, if you are going to buy Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos 2200, then hold on until Samsung officially announce anything or even give a software update to fix these issues. Because if you get these issues, you will get frustrated. Although you have another option, Galaxy S22 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 variant. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, did you guys pre-order Galaxy S22 Ultra? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.